It's that time of the year when we tend to reflect and evaluate the big stories and issues across the sports spectrum for the past year. Of course, this being an Olympic year, most of the focus would be on the Paris Olympics, where without a shadow of a doubt, the biggest Jamaican Olympic moment, and for my money, the biggest moment in Jamaican sports, came in the men's discus, where Roje Stona shocked Jamaica and the world by throwing a Jamaica national record, lifetime best, and Olympic record distance of 70 meters to win Jamaica's only gold medal at the Paris Olympics. This was also Jamaica's very first field event Olympic gold medal. Before that special moment in Paris, Jamaica's fortunes were plummeting like a wartime stock market. And it was Stoner's moment of magic that basically saved the day, saved the year, and saved the Olympics for Jamaica. Where is the lie? Where is the lie? Happy holidays.